Hi guys, here we are again, another video for the E46. Today I need to get access to my heated seat switches, as one seems to be working okay and the other one just cuts off. So I'll see if it's a cleaning exercise, loose connection, or is it a case of replacing a panel. Don't know. So we need to remove this. I mean, it lifts at one end. You can literally get your hand underneath there, and then you're going to see two screws. So we need to remove those so we can get this out and then get access to other screws underneath there. Okay, with those screws removed, you can lift this up at an angle. We don't really need to take it all the way out because we just need to access the next two screws, one each side, there and there. So we'll do that next. Next we're going to remove this this tray, this console tray, which is super easy. So you can use a plastic tool and you literally just put it down the side there, and you can just pop it out once you get it in there, and you can just take that out. So if you need to replace that, clean that, obviously the front of mine's a bit messy, so I could recover that in carbon or something, I don't know. There's options. So with the tray removed, we then got another two screws. You can just see one there and then one the other side. So we'll take those out and then we should be able to remove the panel. So you can pull it forward, you get access to your electrical cable there. You've got two squeezies each side, so you can just squeeze them in and pull it out, and then obviously you've got your lighter there, two little cables, just pull them off and then your panel comes out. Obviously then to remove that panel, you've got tiny little, I guess they're 10 Torx, 5 Torx screws, one each side, with your two plugs, not one plug, because you've got the little plug above it as well. And then obviously you can replace that panel if need be, if like me your heated seats are not working. So fortunately for me, I've played with the cables at the back and they're both working now. So just reinstalling, obviously in reverse procedure. Two bottom ones there, two at the top, and then obviously the two down there. So I'll put it back together.